Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm your host Sancarn and I'm going to take you all through a journey today. Today we will be exploring the geometry of Minecraft 1.7.4. The geometry of Minecraft has shifted throughout its time. Therefore, before we go straight into what it's like now, I'm going to take you through a brief history of how Minecraft has been in the past. In Minecraft Classic and InDev, maps could be generated in small, normal, and huge sizes. In figures, these sizes were as follows: 128 by 64 by 128, 256 by 64 by 256, or 512 by 64 by 512. However, then came InDev, Alpha and Beta. In these versions, maps were classed as infinitely big. These maps were made out of chunks, allowing the player to travel through the world, loading and unloading the chunks as he goes. However, due to the limit of 32-bit math, the maps had a maximum map size. The end of Minecraft was named the Farlands by the Minecraft community, and had crazy world generation which frankly looked fantastic. The Farlands began at X and Z equal to plus or minus 12,550,820. These regions expanded towards X and Z equals plus or minus 32 million. In Alpha and InDev, if you crossed over the 32 million block border, you'd just freeze into place and be trapped forever. However, in Beta you would just fall through a fake world and die in the void. Now, we must move on to the current geometry of Minecraft 1.7.4. At the first look, Minecraft may seem infinite, like it seemed in all previous versions. Yet just like the older versions, the current Minecraft world has hard limits too. In this video we are going to explore these hard limits of the Minecraft world. First of all, we're going to look at the horizontal limits of Minecraft. Then we are going to move on to the vertical limits of Minecraft. Either way, I'm sure you'll learn something new, as I learnt a lot that I didn't know before. The horizontal limit of Minecraft at ground level, or between y equals 0 and 256, is X and Z equal to plus or minus 29,999,999.7. What makes this the limit, you may ask? Well, there's an invisible wall which stops you crossing the border. You can teleport to this border using the following command: /TP at P 29,999,999.7 space 150 space 29,999,999.7. You should also notice that you teleport partially inside this wall, so you won't fall to the ground, even though you are 150 blocks up in the air. But we must remember that Minecraft isn't a 2D world, and the player can in fact reach regions greater than y equals 256 and less than y equals 0. Therefore, we can ask ourselves, is this really the hard limit of the Minecraft world? The answer is no, it isn't. The Minecraft world is a lot more complicated than a simple box. The actual shape of the Minecraft world will be revealed later on, but currently you need only know that it isn't a simple box. So how high is the invisible wall? The invisible wall is exactly 2,147,483,647 blocks tall. However, interesting things happen close to the boundary of the top of this wall. Between y equals 2,147,483,646.9375 and y equals 2,147,483,647, i.e. a 0.0625 block gap, the Minecraft world is still horizontally bounded, but it expands by a single block. This makes the maximum X and Z coordinates which are reachable in the region go from 29,999,999.7 at lower regions to 30,000,000.7. As soon as the player reaches y equals 2,147,483,647, i.e. 2 to the power of 31 minus 1, the Minecraft world becomes open once again, and the player can walk beyond the 30,000,000.7 X and Z borders. You can teleport on top of the wall using this command and walk around on top of thin air yourself. This even works in survival mode, and if you look down, you may be able to see little white lines popping in and out of existence. It is possible that this open region is bounded at the 32-bit limit, but this is also not necessarily true. However, this would be hard to test without modding the client, since you would need to fly 2.1 billion blocks to test this, which could take days. From here it is hard to continue without knowing the vertical limits of Minecraft, so now we are going to take a look at these. From testing thus far, it seems to me that the geometry of the Minecraft world below y equals 0, i.e. y less than 0, is an inverted copy of the geometry of the Minecraft world above y equals 0, i.e. y greater than 0, with the added addition that we constantly get damaged when below y equals minus 64. This means our job is split in half, and by exploring the world above y equals 0, we will in turn explore the world below y equals 0. The vertical limit of Minecraft 1.7.4 that we come across is at y equals 4.503,599,627,370,494,179 times 10 to the 15. To put this in words, it's y equals 4,303,599,627,394,179. Beyond this level, Minecraft gives an error, invalid state, and quits your single-player world, leaving you in the multiplayer selection screen. This same limit exists at x and z equal to 29,999,999.7 and beyond. Therefore, we can say that this is a flat roof limit of the world. By symmetry, we can also say that y equals minus 4.503,599,627,370,494,179 times 10 to the 15, i.e. the number that we just came across, is also a downward limit, and indeed it is. So that's it for the hard limits of Minecraft 1.7.4. So I made a model of the Minecraft 1.7.4 world here in Minecraft. This long hollow shaft represents the bounded world between y equal 2 to the 31 minus 1 and y is equal to minus 2 to the 31 plus 1. The bedrock border represents y equals 0. The half slabs represent the double border limit, i.e. the 0.0625 block region at the top of the 2 to the 31 minus 1 invisible wall, where the x and z region expands by a single block from 29,999,999.7 to 30,000,000.7. At y equal to 2 to the 31 minus 1, and y equal to minus 2 to the 31 plus 1, the Minecraft worlds become open on the x and z axis, but bounded on the y. The red stained glass plane and the black stained glass plane represent this. The gap between these two planes represents the 2 million block gap between the bottom and top of this open region. For all those interested, the world download for this model is in the description of this video. But that's all I have time for today, so make sure to tune in next time when we discuss the geometry of the Minecraft 1.8 world. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you again in the next video.